Bloodstone, also known as heliotrope, is a captivating gemstone revered for its deep green hue interspersed with striking red spots resembling droplets of blood. This unique appearance has contributed to its name and rich history across various cultures. Bloodstone is primarily composed of chalcedony, a cryptocrystalline form of quartz, and its color is attributed to the presence of iron oxide inclusions. For centuries, this gemstone has been cherished not only for its aesthetic appeal but also for its purported metaphysical properties and historical significance. The origins of bloodstone can be traced back to ancient civilizations, where it was believed to possess protective and healing properties. In Babylon, it was considered a powerful talisman that could ward off evil and bring good fortune. The Greeks and Romans also valued bloodstone, associating it with the god of war, Ares, Mars, and using it in seal rings for its perceived ability to ensure victory in battle. Throughout history, bloodstone has been linked to various myths and legends, often symbolizing courage, resilience, and vitality. Its vibrant colors and rich lore have made it a popular choice among collectors and jewelry enthusiasts alike. In the realm of metaphysical beliefs, bloodstone is often regarded as a powerful healing stone. Practitioners of crystal healing attribute various benefits to bloodstone, including the ability to detoxify the body, enhance circulation, and promote emotional balance. It is believed to ground and stabilize energy, making it an ideal stone for those seeking clarity and focus. Bloodstone is often used in meditation practices to facilitate a deeper connection with one's inner self and the surrounding environment. Many individuals wear bloodstone jewelry or carry the stone as a talisman to harness its purported healing properties and support their well-being. The process of acquiring and working with bloodstone involves careful consideration of its sourcing and craftsmanship. Bloodstone is primarily mined in regions such as India, Brazil, and Madagascar, where deposits can be found in various forms, including rough stones and polished cabochons. Once mined, skilled artisans transform raw bloodstone into exquisite jewelry pieces, carvings, and decorative items. The quality of bloodstone is determined by its color, clarity, and overall appearance, with deeper green shades and vibrant red spots being the most sought after. Ethical sourcing practices are crucial in the gemstone industry, and consumers are encouraged to seek out reputable dealers who prioritize sustainability and responsible mining methods. In contemporary culture, bloodstone continues to capture the imagination of many. It is often incorporated into modern jewelry designs, from elegant rings and pendants to statement pieces that showcase its unique beauty. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, bloodstone remains a symbol of strength and resilience, making it a popular choice for those seeking to embody these qualities in their lives. Whether worn as a personal adornment or gifted to a loved one, bloodstone serves as a reminder of the connection between nature, history, and the enduring human spirit. As interest in natural gemstones grows, bloodstone stands out as a timeless choice, blending beauty, history, and metaphysical significance into one remarkable stone. Bloodstone, renowned for its striking appearance and rich history, has been cherished across cultures for thousands of years. This captivating gemstone, a variety of chalcedony, exhibits a dark green hue dotted with bright red inclusions of iron oxide, giving it a unique and visually arresting appearance. Its origins can be traced back to ancient civilizations where it was often revered not just for its beauty but also for its supposed magical and healing properties. The gemstone has appeared in various forms throughout history, from intricate carvings and seals to elaborate jewelry, making it a staple in the world of gemstones and art. The historical significance of bloodstone is profound, as it has been associated with various deities and believed to possess supernatural powers. In ancient Mesopotamia, bloodstone was often linked to the goddess Ishtar, symbolizing love, war, and fertility. Ancient Romans utilized bloodstone in amulets and talismans, believing it could protect them in battle and enhance their strength. Similarly, during the Middle Ages, bloodstone was known as the Stone of Christ, as it was thought to have healing powers and was associated with the blood of Christ. Its associations with bravery, vitality, and divine protection have contributed to its enduring popularity throughout the ages. In addition to its historical roots, bloodstone holds a significant place in the realm of metaphysics and healing. It is believed to be a grounding stone, enhancing one's ability to stay focused and calm amidst chaos. Practitioners of crystal healing often use bloodstone to stimulate the root chakra, promoting a sense of security and stability. It is also said to cleanse the body of toxins, boost the immune system, and improve blood circulation, aligning it with its name. Many users report experiencing increased energy levels, heightened intuition, and emotional healing when incorporating bloodstone into their wellness routines. The process of crafting bloodstone into beautiful pieces involves intricate techniques that have been refined over centuries. Artisans typically source bloodstone from various regions, including India, Brazil, and the United States, where it is found in both rough and polished forms. Once mined, the stones undergo careful processing to enhance their natural beauty, including cutting, shaping, and polishing. The craftsmanship involved in creating bloodstone jewelry can vary significantly, with some pieces featuring intricate designs while others highlight the stone's natural beauty. The result is a diverse array of items, from simple pendants to elaborate statement pieces that showcase the stone's unique characteristics. In modern times, bloodstone remains a beloved gemstone among collectors, jewelry makers, and those interested in its healing properties. It is often featured in holistic practices, meditation, and wellness rituals, serving as a powerful reminder of one's connection to nature and the earth. As interest in natural and ethically sourced gemstones continues to rise, bloodstone stands out for its beauty, versatility, and historical significance. Whether worn as a fashion statement or used in spiritual practices, bloodstone continues to captivate and inspire, serving as a testament to the timeless allure of natural gemstones. The blend of art, history, and metaphysical properties ensures that bloodstone will remain a cherished gemstone for generations to come. Bloodstone, often revered for its striking appearance and rich history, is a gemstone that captures the imagination of collectors and enthusiasts alike. Known for its dark green background adorned with vibrant red flecks, bloodstone is a variety of chalcedony, a mineral that belongs to the quartz family. Its unique color combination has long been associated with various meanings and uses, ranging from spiritual and healing properties to decorative and artistic applications. The allure of bloodstone lies not only in its beauty but also in the myriad stories and legends woven around it throughout history. Historically, bloodstone has been cherished across diverse cultures for its mystical properties. In ancient civilizations such as Babylon and Greece, it was believed to possess protective qualities, often worn as an amulet to ward off evil spirits and bring good fortune. The Romans, too, valued bloodstone, using it in seals and signet rings, associating it with strength and courage in battle. Additionally, in Christian symbolism, bloodstone is sometimes linked to the blood of Christ, leading to its nickname, Christ's Stone. These historical associations enhance bloodstone's significance, making it not just a decorative gem but a powerful symbol steeped in lore. The metaphysical properties attributed to bloodstone contribute to its enduring popularity in modern wellness practices. Known as a grounding stone, bloodstone is said to enhance emotional stability and mental clarity, helping individuals remain calm during challenging times. Practitioners of crystal healing often utilize bloodstone for its detoxifying effects, believing it can purify the blood and bolster the immune system. Moreover, many people turn to bloodstone during meditation, seeking to foster a deeper connection with themselves and the earth. The stone's energy is thought to promote resilience, courage, and the ability to overcome obstacles, making it a favored choice among those on a path of personal growth and healing. The craftsmanship involved in transforming raw bloodstone into exquisite jewelry and decorative pieces is a testament to the skill of artisans. Bloodstone is primarily sourced from regions such as India, Brazil, and the United States, where it is mined and then processed into various forms, including beads, cabochons, and carvings. Artisans meticulously cut and polish each stone to highlight its unique color patterns and ensure a high-quality finish. The result is a stunning array of jewelry options, from elegant rings and pendants to bold statement pieces that showcase the stone's natural beauty. Ethical sourcing practices are increasingly important in the gemstone industry, and many artisans prioritize sustainable methods, appealing to eco-conscious consumers. In contemporary society, bloodstone continues to thrive as a gemstone that embodies beauty, history, and healing. It remains a popular choice in jewelry design, often incorporated into modern pieces that appeal to both fashion enthusiasts and those drawn to its metaphysical properties. Bloodstone's significance extends beyond mere aesthetics, serving as a symbol of strength, resilience, and the interconnectedness of nature. As more individuals seek out natural and ethically sourced gemstones, bloodstone stands out for its multifaceted appeal, bridging the gap between ancient traditions and contemporary practices. Its timeless allure ensures that bloodstone will remain a treasured gem for future generations, inspiring those who seek beauty and meaning in their adornments. Bloodstone, a captivating gemstone renowned for its unique aesthetics and rich history, holds a significant place in the world of minerals and jewelry. Composed mainly of chalcedony, a type of quartz, bloodstone features a striking deep green hue with vivid red speckles, giving it a distinctive appearance that has fascinated people for centuries. The red spots, often interpreted as the stone's namesake, resemble droplets of blood, which has led to various mythologies and cultural associations surrounding its meaning and use. Bloodstone's captivating appearance makes it a favorite among collectors, jewelers, and those interested in its healing properties. The historical significance of bloodstone spans across various civilizations and cultures. In ancient Egypt, it was carved into amulets and seals, believed to possess protective powers and bring good fortune. Similarly, in Mesopotamia, it was associated with the goddess Ishtar, symbolizing love and war. The Romans highly valued bloodstone as well, using it in signet rings for its strength and durability. This historical usage has contributed to the gemstone's mystique, with legends surrounding its power to promote courage, strength, and vitality. It was even believed that bloodstone could influence weather patterns, linking it to agricultural success and spiritual practices. Metaphysically, bloodstone is considered a powerful healing stone. Practitioners of crystal healing attribute various benefits to this gemstone, believing it can cleanse the body of toxins, enhance blood circulation, and improve overall health. Bloodstone is often used in meditation to foster a sense of grounding and stability, helping individuals navigate emotional turmoil. Its connection to the root chakra is thought to promote feelings of security and balance, making it an excellent tool for those seeking to align their energies. Many users report experiencing increased vitality, heightened awareness, and a sense of empowerment when working with bloodstone in their spiritual practices. Crafting bloodstone into jewelry and decorative items requires skilled craftsmanship and a deep understanding of the stone's properties. The process begins with sourcing the raw material, primarily from regions such as India, Brazil, and the United States, where quality bloodstone deposits can be found. Once mined, the stones undergo cutting, shaping, and polishing to highlight their unique colors and patterns. Jewelers often create pieces that accentuate the natural beauty of bloodstone, whether in simple settings or intricate designs. The craftsmanship involved in transforming bloodstone into wearable art reflects not only the artistry of the jeweler but also the timeless appeal of the stone itself. In contemporary culture, bloodstone remains popular among gemstone enthusiasts, collectors, and holistic practitioners. Its unique beauty and historical significance make it a sought-after choice for jewelry, while its metaphysical properties attract individuals interested in spiritual growth and healing. As interest in natural and ethically sourced gemstones rises, bloodstone stands out for its ability to connect people with both the earth and their own inner strength. The fusion of beauty, history, and healing potential ensures that bloodstone will continue to be cherished, inspiring individuals across generations to embrace its powerful symbolism and aesthetic allure. The ongoing fascination with bloodstone highlights the timeless connection between humanity and the natural world, bridging the gap between past beliefs and present-day practices.